This is my easy, delicious recipe for penne. In a pan, heat some olive oil, a teaspoon of garlic, your favorite spaghetti sauce, and a cup of heavy cream. Stir until combined. This will give you a nice pinkish orange color. Add some pepper. Add some basil. Fresh or dried is fine. They both taste great. You could add a little red pepper flakes. That's optional. You could also add a little splash of vodka if you like it. This will also add an extra dimension to the sauce. Taste and adjust the flavors to your liking. To make it extra creamy, add a handful of Parmesan cheese. That's about a half a cup, and stir it until combined. There you have a quick, delicious penne sauce, and this makes a great creamy tomato soup. Prepare your pasta as directed while you're preparing the sauce. I made this for a party, but it's great for a quick, easy dinner also. Very kid-friendly. I'd love to hear how you like it. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Take care till next time. Happy cooking.